Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to 12M Hustle. What a crazy week in the markets, huh? This is insane. Wall Street bets are going crazy. So today we're going to go over my GME and AMC, which is GameStop and the AMC movie theater. I day traded them. Let's get right into it, guys. What's up, guys? So let's get right into it. Here we go. I'm going to make this video quick, easy, fast. So this is GameStop. This is pre-market. This is what I decided to trade today. Got up at 2 in the morning. I watched this big gap up. If you guys can tell right over here, it was about 3:30, 3:32. I was watching the MACD and I was watching the RSI. So it was going. It gapped up, started gapping up. I let this ride. I kind of knew I felt like I was too late to join this play. So I kind of just let it consolidate. And then I decided that I was going to enter in a small position right here, about 458. So I decided to buy at this point. I thought it was going to gap up and redo this pattern. As you guys can tell over here, I thought I was going to do that pattern again. So I let it go, keep going. And I just, once it reached this level, and I saw that the MACD had just started crossing and the RSI started going into minus 30. So anything minus 30 means that it's, underbought basically. So that meaning that it's oversold basically. And then anything above 70 on the RSI typically means that it's overbought, which means it's overextended. That's how you use the RSI. Now the MACD, when you see it cross over like this yellow line crosses over, it's kind of an indication that it's kind of sell off, and that's why you see the red candles. When you see it cross back above the blue line, the green candles start on the MACD. That's when it's an indication that it's going to start rising up. Usually when you have these two indicators plus you have big volume came at about 8 million. That's a big volume candle. So at this point you can buy here and then play all the way up. So these are the three indicators that I use. I use volume, RSI, and MACD. I use those three indicators to kind of decide enter my positions and exit my positions. This is my strategy. It's a strategy that works for me. So I sold here and I didn't like what I was watching on GameStop, so I got out. Okay, so I decided to get out, and that was it. I use Webull, by the way. That's my brokerage. If you guys want to get on there, it's awesome. I love it. They don't restrict your buying power or anything like that. So if you guys want to come over from Robinhood or TD Ameritrade, at the bottom of this video, I'm going to leave a link. You guys can click on that. Come join the Webull family. Okay, so let's go over to AMC. Where's it at? I'm out of the position, so I have no positions in AMC or GameStop anymore. So here is AMC and GameStop. So this is where I made most of my profit. On GameStop, I lost about 248. All right. So got up at 2. I saw this. This was a perfect entrance. This is perfectly planned. So I got in at about $11, $11.12. Went in with a big position. I got in here. I should have waited for a little bit of consolidation when they started gapping up. I didn't. I decided to go in and risk a little bit. I started buying in as they started rising. As you guys can tell, the MACD right here crossed over. See that yellow line that crossed the blue? And plus the RSI started coming. Plus the volume started coming in. So this is pre-market, right? This is not going to be like millions of shares coming in. But it is pretty big it's not typical that this much shares come in during pre-market. By the way, pre-market you can do not on every brokerage. So I bought it. I let it ride all the way up. I saw this overextend the blue line on the MACD. The RSI started going up. The volume started coming in. I just let it ride all the way up. When I started to see, this is where I sold. When I saw the first candle that went to 23, I should have sold, but I decided not to. I decided to sell on the second candle when I saw big red volume coming in. That came in about 500,000 shares. I sold right at this point, made my biggest profit, got out, made my $6,000, and then it was amazing because as soon as I sold, it just started going down. You could kind of see you wanted to reclaim that, but it didn't. And then the MACD crossed over. It was fighting, and then right here when it finally separated itself, the yellow went whoop, and it sold off as well. I also use EMA, the 5-day EMA and the 20 EMA. When the green EMA crossed over the red, I knew it was going to start selling off. I knew it. So I didn't even get back in it. I just let it go. And as you can tell, it just flushed all the way down. I decided not to overtrade. I made my profit. I got out for the day. I stopped trading. So there is a thing called overtrading, meaning that you think you're just going to keep making more money, more money, more money. You need to have a goal, your plan of how much you're going to make, how much you wish to make, and how much you're going to risk. Risk management is very important. So I made my funds. I got out, and that was it. All right. For the rest of the day, as you can tell, AMC kind of just at the opening gapped up. You could have played this. You could have got in here. You could have saw the MACD was going up. You could have saw that big green candle volume. You could have played this. You could have got in here and then got out here. I decided not to. I just kind of just went to bed and that was it. I was done. The rest of the day kind of dropped. I decided to consolidate for a little bit. The news came out that they were gonna offer some shares. So I think that had a lot to do with what was going on here in the consolidation. And then just, of course, aftermarket. A lot of brokers can't do aftermarket, especially Robinhood. And they just did this, gapped up to 1365, and now it's sitting about 1258 on Thursday at 357. So that was it. That's what I did, guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys learned a little bit how to day trade in and out. I'm going to be making more videos in the future. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section. If you guys want to learn more, go ahead and tag on to my Instagram, my Facebook. I post daily. And that's it. See you guys next time.